Welcome to this week's episode of Fun Facts with Will and Nate. This week we're doing Space Edition.
In a vacuum like space, when two pieces of metal touch each other, they bond together. This is a process called cold welding. It's also what's happened to Williams relationships.
The North Star will eventually change, however not in our lifetime. Due to the tilted axis, our planet wobbles. Currently it's pointed at Polaris, but in the year 13727, our pole star will be Vega in the constellation Lyra. Vega was the North Star in about 12,000 BCE.
The dwarf planet Maka Maka was discovered on Easter in 2005. The Eastern island Moe figures were the inspiration for its name.
If you cry in space, your tears don't fall.
The word astronaut comes from the Greek word astron, which means star, and nautis, which means sailor. The Russian cosmonaut has a similar meaning from cosmos, meaning universe, and again, nauts, meaning sailor.
Even though Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, it is not actually the hottest. Mercury does not have any atmosphere, so its temperature cannot rise above 425 degrees Celsius, but at night, the planet's temperature can drop to a freezing negative 180 degrees Celsius. Venus is the hottest planet. Its thick clouds trap the sun's heat, causing it to be 500 degrees Celsius.
Exclamation point. So you know he means what he's saying. Space officially begins at the universal marker of the Kármán line. This invisible boundary is 100 kilometers above the Earth. In theory, if you could drive your car upwards, you could be in space in less than an hour.
You become up to 5 centimeters taller in space.
On Venus, a day is longer than a year. A year on Venus is 224.7 Earth days. However, it takes 243 Earth days to rotate on its axis just once.
In space, the skin on the bottom of your feet peels off because you do not walk regularly.
Well, this has been an episode of Fun Facts with Will and Nathan, Space Edition. We hope you come back next week.